Welcome to this week's edition of Fingerprinting Gurus. I am Tommy Watkins, your instructor, for our exciting new topic. Before diving into this subject matter, I kindly request that you support our content by liking, sharing, and subscribing. Our content aims to assist you in advancing your entrepreneur ventures, particularly in the ink card fingerprinting business and the mobile ink card fingerprinting industry. Without further ado, let us explore this week's topic: how mobile ink fingerprinting works. Mobile ink fingerprinting works similar to traditional fingerprinting, with the main difference being that it takes place in a mobile environment rather than a fixed location, such as a police station or a government agency. The process involves taking a clear and legible impression of a person's fingerprints using a special type of ink that is designed or designated to leave a clean impression on the fingerprint card. The ink is usually stored in a portable kit that contains all the necessary material needed to take fingerprints of one or more individuals. The technician administering the process usually starts by explaining the procedures to the individual and ensuring that they understand why they are being fingerprinted or being taken. The technician then cleans the fingertips with a special solution to remove any dirt or oil that may interfere with the ink process. After the fingers are clean, the technician applies the ink to the fingerprint tips or the fingertips, and then roll each finger onto the fingerprint card, starting the thumb and moving sequential to the other fingers. The technician checks each rolled finger for clarity and accuracy before moving to the next finger. Once the technician has recorded all the required fingerprints, the fingerprint card is marked with the individual's personal information and submitted to the appropriate authorities for analysis and processing. The main advantage of mobile ink fingerprinting is it can be conducted in any location, which make it ideal for situations where individuals are unable to travel to a fixed location due to mobility issues or other circumstances. Common applications for mobile ink fingerprinting includes background checks, employment verification, and criminal investigations. Like, share, comment, and subscribe to this content.